Welcome to this session and welcome to this series of tutorial of Lambda functions. So in this following series we are going to learn and we'll show you how to use Lambda functions and how to create an application to scale cheaply and without much effort. So let's start. Let's try to understand what is Lambda. So what is Lambda? Lambda is a computer service that you can upload your code and will be executed in Amazon infrastructure. So the piece of your code is known as the functions, and the main purpose of this Lambda function is you don't have to manage your server. So it's completely serverless and it will run your code. You would not worry about the servers, and it will run on Amazon infrastructure. Okay, so auto scaling is available as your need of your uh, requirement and based on your functions decide Lambda function decide. So you also no need to worry about the auto scaling. It will automatically handled by the Lambda. Lambda functions can be written in Java, Python, Node.js, and C# also. Okay, so Lambda function is completely stateless and you would not have to manage your state through your functions, but it doesn't mean that you cannot manage your states. So you can store your state information to S3 and DynamoDB for AWS service. Okay, scaling. So Amazon handles your scalability of your Lambda functions. So it decide automatically based on your incoming rate of requests and no need to specific configuration for scaling. It will automatically scale up when it needed and automatically scale down when it no needed. So it will run based on your input request. Okay, when this Lambda functions trigger, so on which events? So it can be events of you put a object in S3 bucket, uh, DynamoDB configuration, or you have to configure for any HTTP call, or you have to generate for specific HTTP call, you have to trigger your Lambda functions. You can configure with other service like CloudWatch events. So can be trigger with multiple Amazon Web Services resources, HTTP call, and based on events configuration it will run. Okay, to seeing the pricing, it is available in free tier, 1 million requests and 3 million seconds of compute for every month. So it's almost a free. And if you have used configure your Lambda function but no, no request comes to your Lambda function, so no cost for that. So you no need to worry about the cost if no requests come to your the functions. Okay, so friends, we in this series we are going to have the session for the Node.js script, the first functions through the Lambda, deploying the functions, uh, the creating the functions for HTTP call, integration service for different resource like EC2, CloudWatch, S3, and other resource. So we will find more sessions in this session series. So friends, thank you for watching this video.